Wow! Why rent, when you can own? Don't miss your opportunity to own a home. Invest in your future today. Open house every day. Come and see this incredible 3-bedroom/2-bath unit that comes partially furnished and with a 1-car attached garage. This unit is ready to move in and is located in the highly sought after community of Stratford Place. Enjoy the beautiful lake and tropical garden view from your screened lanai and large master bedroom window. This floor plan is very spacious and offers a large family/great room and master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. Interior features include cathedral ceilings, kitchen with stainless steel refrigerator and granite counters, carpet and tile flooring throughout. Stratford Place is centrally located, only a short drive to Naples' beautiful beaches, shopping, and dining. Excellent second home or for a first-time home buyer.